Sports items in English. Softball. Volleyball net. Knee pads. Netball. Kickboard. Life jacket. Polo ball. Table tennis ball. Lacrosse ball. Swim goggles. Paddleboard. Goalkeeper gloves. Medicine ball. Inline skates. Futsal ball. Tennis racket. Table tennis net. Bocce ball. Bowling ball. Badminton racket. Running shoes. Lacrosse stick. Darts. Wetsuit. Table tennis paddle. Baseball bat. Field hockey stick. Squash racket. Softball bat. Polo mallet. Pickleball paddle. Racquetball racket. Paddleball paddle. Ice hockey stick. Turf shoes. Rounder's bat. Wiffle bat. Floorball stick. Stickball bat. Cue stick. Badminton net. Handball goal. Soccer goal. Cricket ball. Net clips. Water polo goal. Cricket stumps. Field hockey goal. Lacrosse goal. Net posts. Rebound net. Helmet. Shin guards. Mouthguard. Elbow pads. Ankle guards. Shoulder pads. Chest protector. Padded shorts. Arm sleeves. Neck guard. Baseball cleats. Thigh guards. Fencing mask. Cricket bat. Snowboard boots. Boxing shoes. Swim cap. Fins. Snorkel. Bowling shoes. Swim paddles. Floaties. Surfboard. Bodyboard. Water polo ball. Diving mask. Soccer ball. Basketball. Volleyball. Tennis ball. Baseball. Rugby ball. American football. Handball. Dodgeball. Beach ball. Basketball hoop. Soccer cleats. Basketball shoes. Tennis shoes. Golf shoes. Wrestling shoes. Cycling shoes. Ice skates. Ski boots. Jump rope. bicycle, scooter, arrow, water bottle, towel,